Hello everyone, today let's learn how to fix missing Instagram notes. If you just tap on message icon at the top right corner of the screen, you'll be able to see some notes over here. So as you can see, I have one note. If you missing it, so basically you just should go to your settings app and check updates. Scroll down, tap on general over here, then proceed to software update, and if you have some updates in this specific menu, just tap on download and install. Second solution, it's open up your App Store or Google Play Market and search Instagram. Tap on search at the bottom, then tap on the search bar over here and type in Instagram, and then just search it and find Instagram application over here. Write one more. Here we are. Proceed to Instagram. In this specific case, as you can see here says open. If you have option here says update, just tap on update and update Instagram to the latest version. Third solution is open up the settings application. From general menu, scroll down and find your general option over here. Then tap on iPhone storage. From iPhone storage, you should find Instagram application and proceed to it. And then just tap on offload app. When you tap on offload app, wait some sec, and then again tap on same place over here to reinstall Instagram application.
If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.